Introducing the Nescafe Alarm Cap. In 2014, Nescafe decided to renew its image, and with that, its iconic packaging.
He just thinks a lot of himself, and it's time for me to be little and show him who he is and what the difference is.
What exactly was it?
He just, he's got some self-help people behind him. I feel good. My body's obviously a little tight right now. I just weighed in. You guys usually give me more time before these interviews, but otherwise, man, I'm great. I got a lot I've added. I'm looking forward to getting out there and putting on a show.
Follow you play for ya. Yeah, me? Or I'll go sand your mouth. What's your name?
My name na Ovuvwe enye tuwe mwenfwe ikpemugbe osas. My name na Ovuvwe enye tuwe mwenfwe ikpemugbe osas. My name na Ovuvwe enye tuwe mwenfwe ikpemugbe osas.
Okay, so today I am going to blind myself with a lamp for no reason. Lamp! Okay, so, warning people, do not try this at home. Why? Because you're going to blind yourself. Thank you.
Yeah, I agree. I mean, what I love about Anderson Silva, entire career, all the things that he's done and accomplished, and the guy still wants to take a run at that title. I love that.
Continue to get better and better. That's 3 first-round victories. I feel like I know the answer, but what do you want next? Man.